If you're wondering which of ZipBooks or OneUp offers better profit margin tracking, you've come to the right place. Both are popular choices for small business owners looking to track their profits, but which one stands out in this critical area? I'll be comparing them head to head to help you decide which might be a better fit for your needs, so stick around till the end, because I'll also be recommending an alternative that may surprise you. Let's start with ZipBooks. ZipBooks offers a straightforward approach to managing your finances, and it's easy to get started, especially for smaller businesses or entrepreneurs who don't want to get overwhelmed by complex tools. When it comes to profit margin tracking, ZipBooks gives you access to reports that are simple to understand. You can easily see the total income, expenses, and profit margins. It's good, but there's a catch. While the interface is easy to navigate, ZipBooks lacks some deeper insights when it comes to more nuanced profit margin tracking. For instance, while you can see your gross profit margin, advanced features like segmenting your profit margins by different product lines or locations are missing. Next thing, let's talk about OneUp. OneUp shines in certain areas, especially with its all-in-one capabilities. You can track income, expenses, and even create invoices and receipts all in one platform. One of the strengths with OneUp is that it does a bit more when it comes to custom reporting. If you need more granular data about your profit margins by specific customer types, products, or even sales channels, OneUp can provide that. The problem, though, is that the interface is a little more complicated compared to ZipBooks. You get more functionality, but you'll need to spend more time getting used to it, and it can sometimes feel cluttered. The fourth thing to consider is the cost. ZipBooks has a free plan, which can be great if you're just starting out. But once you need more advanced features, like those deeper profit margin insights, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The pricing can add up quickly, and you might find that you're paying for more than what you really need. OneUp, on the other hand, doesn't offer a free plan, but its pricing tiers are designed to give more features for businesses that need a comprehensive solution. It's a bit more expensive, but if you're looking for better margin tracking, it may be worth the investment. Then we have support. ZipBooks provides standard email support, but it can sometimes take a while to get responses, especially during peak times. OneUp, however, has more robust support channels, including chat and email, which could be a deciding factor if you need quick help while managing your profit margins. Now, here's the deal. Both of these tools are solid choices, but they do come with their limitations. ZipBooks is great for simplicity, but it might not offer enough detailed insight into your profit margins if you're running a growing business. OneUp, while offering more customization, might feel like overkill for smaller operations due to its steep learning curve and higher cost. But after trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative that might just hit the sweet spot. If you're after a software that tracks your profit margins easily, with enough depth and simplicity without overwhelming you, there's one that really stands out. Take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. In conclusion, both ZipBooks and OneUp have their merits, but for better profit margin tracking, you should consider trying the alternative I've recommended.